When is the last time you have Jamaican cornmeal porridge? Let's make some. I'm making a small amount, so I'm gonna add like 4 cups of water. We're gonna spice up the pot. Cinnamon leaf, cinnamon stick, dried orange peel, nutmeg mace, a teaspoon of salt, cover and allow to brew for about 5 to 10 minutes. Jamaican Frankfurter. Add in 3 cups of refined cornmeal. You want to add enough water for this to be smooth. You don't want no lump in this. You don't want it to be lumpy. You want it to mix out like this, okay? Smells so good. Add the cornmeal. And keep on whisking, because you don't want this lumpy. Not me more than a lumpy porridge. Add in 1 can of evaporated milk. Half cup of whole milk. You can use coconut milk if you don't have whole milk, or whole milk if you don't have coconut milk. After about 25 minutes, vanilla extract, almond spice, just a toops, mixed spice, freshly grated nutmeg, I want to make look a bit, still make the pot full up. This one I look a bit, this I will leave. All the better when we get some too, if me cook so much. So this nice and spice up. Cover for about 5 to 10 minutes. Sweeten to taste. I'm using sweetened condensed milk. You can use whatever sweetener you want to use, okay? All done. Some water crackers. Water crackers. Excelsior water crackers. Time to do a taste test. With a breakfast like this, I think you have to eat lunch. Wow. Wow. My favorite porridge, you know, man. My favorite porridge just growing up. Love it. I like mine thick like this. I don't like it too loose, you know. Some people might not like it so thick. It's not really thick, you know, but it's in between. I'm not like it when it's too loose. I used to do this stuff, you know. I used to crush up the crackers them. The crackers never needed it, but I don't know why we didn't need crackers tonight. But the crackers just make it nice. Wow. On the cancer, I have some protein on the plate, not true? Definitely I ate the spot. Ooh. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Tell me which porridge is your favorite Jamaican porridge. I'm gonna leave all the measurements down in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.